Hi, my name is Matt. I work at Lynn Truck Center. For everybody that doesn't know how to change a wiper blade, there you go. You open it and there's a piece that you push. So you push the piece, slide it down, and they come right out. Simple. You get the new wiper. There's a part with the clip that you push and the circle loop that connects to the piece. Put it on, push it up, lock, click. One. Same thing on the other side. Pick it up, this piece, push it, slides down. This circle piece, pull it up, click. Very simple. Congratulations, everyone knows how to change wipers. Have a nice day.